Good morning, welcome to Mr. Wilson's exterior cleaner. Got a lovely job on today. We've got this block paving going up here, which is not too bad at all really. Got some nice natural stone all around here. A little bit of white spot on it, but it's really not bad at all. Got to clean up all these stones first before we do it. They've been put down because it gets quite slippery. Got some more natural stone. You can kind of see where they've tried to do it themselves, and it's not quite come up very well. But yeah, David's around here setting up at the minute. A nice pond down there. We're not doing that today because they're having it redone, so we're going to come back and do that at a later date. everyone. Second day. Well, it's actually the third day. We just popped back this morning to get a bit of resanding done around the back because it started raining yesterday afternoon and we couldn't finish it, but we've done that. It's come up all right. Bit of a problem. I started using the old hippo juice around the back and the customer wasn't very happy with me using chemicals because she's got some plants that grow around that her and her family eat. She was a bit worried about it going into them and getting into them. I did try and reassure her, but there we go. I wasn't going to post this video. They made me put the stones back as well, which, there you go. I mean, it's left plenty of white spot everywhere. It's come up a lot better because I've got rid of all the dirt, but I would have liked to got it properly clean. Around the back, I mean, it looks a lot better. But this is what it looks like if you don't use chemicals. And you see all the black spot everywhere still. It's not a job I'm happy with, but the customer's happy, so that's all that counts. Yeah, well, there'll be plenty more videos coming up. Like and subscribe if you want. If you don't, I won't know, so it won't matter. Bye.